Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Iradocio. Welcome. Today we're going to be making low carb garlic and cheddar cheese biscuits, so enjoy. So in this bowl I have 150 grams of almond flour, and what I'm doing is just breaking down the flour, and then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic spice. And if you don't have garlic spice, it's fine. You could just skip that part and just go ahead and grate fresh garlic or use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So now you want to combine all the dry ingredients together. So in another bowl, we're going to mix all the wet ingredients. So I'm adding 2 eggs to my bowl. Next, I'm going to add my melted butter, 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Sorry, guys. And 80 grams of sour cream. I'm going to have all the measurements in the description, guys, so don't worry about it. If you don't get it now, just check in the description below. So now you want to mix all of this together. Mix it really nice, but slowly until everything is combined. So now you make a hole in the middle of your dry ingredients and you pour the wet ingredients into that, and you gradually take a fork, guys, a fork. Don't use anything else because you don't want to over mix this batter. So you just want to slowly mix and combine everything together, just slowly. And then you add grated cheddar cheese. Now with the cheddar cheese, you can go easy on the cheddar cheese or you can go more on the cheddar cheese. For me, I don't really like a lot of cheddar cheese, so I use about 50 grams in this recipe, but you can go ahead and use more if you want. Next, using a baking sheet, spread parchment paper and spray using any cooking spray of your choice. Scoop as equally as possible using an ice cream scoop or a tablespoon. Bake at 400 degrees for 12 minutes or 15 minutes. And the biscuits are done, all looking nice and golden brown and in uniform. Make sure to measure as equally as possible when you do yours, so that way your biscuits can come out looking equal. We had this with some spinach and egg omelette. I will be making a video of this delicious omelette if you guys want me to. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.